Hello?
59 Reynolds.
How's it going?
All right, I'm dropping off a skid steer with an auger attachment.
Yep. Are you at the job site already?
Yeah, I just got here.
Okay, I'm literally pulling up the hill right now.
Okay.
Heading into this job site. Bobcat just showed up. Let's see what this job site looks like, you guys. It's our Bobcat getting delivered. Here's some of what our work site looks like. 1,200 feet fence going around here. A couple double drive gates on a driveway right here. We've got this Bobcat. Forks, auger, bucket, the T590. And here's our lines right here. The Dodge Cummins diesel, towing all our stuff. And there's the job site. We'll be doing some clearing and some digging on these perimeter lines.